We begin our walk at Canal Park on the south end of the Towpath Trail. The first species on our walk is the bird's eye speedwell. This non-native annual wildflower is a low-growing plant similar to the common corn speedwell, but has larger flowers and longer panicles. This species originated from Asia and now grows all around the U.S. Virginia Bluebells is the next stop on our walk. This native perennial wildflower has blue trumpet-shaped flowers and can reach up to 2 feet in height. This ephemeral plant was used by Native Americans to treat whooping cough, tuberculosis, and the root was used to treat venereal diseases. Buckeye trees are a common sight along the Towpath Trail, and they are the next species on our walk. This deciduous native tree has lightweight wood and is used in the production of artificial limbs. Many will say that the holding of a buckeye nut in one's pocket is considered good luck. This next native perennial wildflower, the common blue violet, occurs in many natural sites, such as woodlands. This is a violet of yards, regularly mowed meadows, and other maintained habitats. It, along with other violet species, play host to caterpillars of a variety of fritillary butterflies. This next species has not fully bloomed. You can see just the tips of the yellow emerging from this flower. It's the golden ragwort. It's very similar to the rounded-leaved ragwort, which has much rounder basal leaves and grows in well-drained upland soils. The golden ragwort is a non-native perennial wildflower. Many spring-pollinating insects use this species, and caterpillars of the Lecanthus hoplomoth feed on the emerging leaves in early spring. The glossy yellow flowers of this next species are eye-catching and looks very similar to our native marsh marigold. However, it is actually a highly invasive alien. This non-native invasive perennial wildflower is called lesser celandine. You can find it all along the Scioto River as you walk the Richards River Trail at Canal Park. Now on our walk, we come to our first native tree. This is the eastern redbud. This tree is also known as the Judas tree and is abundant in the southern 2/3 of Ohio, with a scattered distribution in the northern 1/3 of the state. It heralds the arrival of spring with its showy lavender-pink flowers that typically open in April, long before the foliage emerges. Our next stop is toadshade, a non-native perennial wildflower. Toadshade is a herbaceous, long-lived woodland species with a broad distribution in the central United States. It is easily identified by its dark purple center, surrounded by 3 rounded leaves. The white trout lily can be found in abundance on the south end of the Towpath Trail. It is a native perennial wildflower, and its immature plants produce a single leaf and fail to flower, while the mature plants bloom and produce a pair of leaves. The last species on our walk is the black haw viburnum. This native shrub is a cousin of the invasive honeysuckle and has the courtesy to leaf out just after the spring ephemerals, such as bluebells, have harvested the sunlight they need. The flat top cluster of flowers on this plant will result in hanging bluish-black drupes in the fall.